Sa bawat akbang, may aral na dala. Buong pangarap, kahit may luha. Sa saya at lungkot, sa bawat kwento, kasama ang pamilya at kaibigan totoo. Today, we stand at the edge of a chapter closing, not in silence, but in gratitude. We are here as accredited completers of school year 2025-2026. Proud to say that we are Filipino completers. Prepared to lead with competence and character. But this moment, this achievement is not ours alone. It is built from the strength, sacrifice, and love of many people who walk this journey with us. To our parents and guardians, you are the quiet heroes of our story. You woke up early while we were still asleep, prepared our meals, gave us baon, and sent us to school even in the days when we felt too tired to go. There were times we struggled, when we failed the test, when we felt lost, when we wanted to give up, but you stood firm. You reminded us to keep going, even when we doubted ourselves. Your sacrifices carried us to where we are today. To our families and relatives, thank you for your steady support. In simple ways, you lifted us. Through encouragement, small celebrations, and constant belief in our abilities. Even in our quiet struggles, you stood by us. To our teachers and mentors, you shifted us beyond the lessons in books. You taught us discipline, responsibility, and perseverance. You corrected us, guided us, and challenged us to improve. There were days when learning felt heavy and difficult, but you never gave up on us. Because of you, we grew not only in knowledge, but in character. To our friends and Immermetics classmates, you were our companions in every moment. We shared laughter, memories, struggles, and victories. Pangulabo, panuot-suot sa katubuan, bigot dire, bigot dito, kag ibang mga tripping. We help each other through deadlines, group tasks, and even personal challenges. With you, this journey became meaningful and unforgettable. To the Tanawanan community, thank you. Thank you for giving us a place to grow and become who we are today. This school is more than a place of learning. It is part of our identity. And above all, to God, our deepest gratitude. In our weakest moment, you give us strength. In times of doubt, you give us hope. You guided us through every step of this journey. There are many challenges along the way, failures, pressures, and silent battle. There are moments when we felt like giving up, but we choose to stand, to continue, and to finish. And now, we move forward. We face the next level of our journey, not with fear, but with courage. We accept the challenges ahead, knowing that we are ready. With what we have learned and guided by the values we carry, we step forward with confidence. As Filipino completers, we are prepared not only to succeed, but to live with competence and character. From all of us, the great completers of 2026, matsalayo kaa, madamo gid nga salamat from the bottom of our hearts. This may be the end of one chapter, Immermetics, but we are ready for the next. Tayo lumaki, sabay na natuto, bawat pagkakamali, handa nang bumangon. Puso'y nagkakaisa, kahit iba't ibang daan, sa Immermetics, hindi nag-iisa. Tayo magpapatuloy. Once again, thank you, congratulations, and good day to one and all.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. We, the